Hi guys, let's start today topic DEX and date time functions in the DEX. So before starting this topic, I want to share something important. I have edited all the videos in the Power BI playlist and you can learn step by step without missing anything. So these videos are the combination of the previous video. So if you haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend it. Watch them first to understand this concept clearly. Let's come on the topic and come on the screen. So these are the functions of the Power BI and related to the date and time functions. So let's try to understand what is the now and today functions. Now today function is give the exact time or exact date. Simply we can put the today parenthesis open and close and enter. You will get the today date and now is current date with the time. Month, day, year. If I want to extract any month, any date or the year from the date column, so you can use this column date, month and year. And again, if you want to extract any hours, minutes and second from any date time, so you can use this formula. Weekday and week number. Let's suppose you want to extract any weekday from the from any date, so you can use that formula weekday and week number. Simply they will give the first to Sunday and 7 to Saturday of the week, right? EOMONTH is simply extract the last date of the month. If I wanna give any last date of that particular month, so we can use this formula EOMONTH. DATEDIFF. DATEDIFF, if I wanna extract any difference between the two dates in the related of the maybe the day or hours or years, so you can use this DATEDIFF. So the formula syntax is simple: DATEDIFF, date 1, date 2 and the interval is like day, hours, years, whatever we want. So these are the some theoretical thing. Let's jump on the Power BI and do it the practically way. I'll open the Power BI. So these are the Power BI and let's come on this date list, right? I'll do some questions like if I want to extract any weekday from the calendar date. So let's jump on the calendar, look up, add one more column in this and give, let's suppose we're extracting in the day of the week. So put the name there, day of the week, DEX is equal to, hit enter and weekday. The formula is weekday. Hit the enter, calendar, let's suppose that give the date here. Hit enter and if I want to give the month, date, years, end of number, quarter, whatever we want, we can give. Let's suppose we should take here as a 2 means date. Enter. See. So one more column is created in the last and it will give the number of the weekday. Let's suppose it is a Wednesday, that's been 3. Monday would be the 1 and it's starting from the Monday. And let's suppose there any Sunday, yeah, Sunday would be the 7. See this column here, right? So these are the weekday from the DEX formula. Earlier we have already extract the weekday from the Power Query. Let's try to do that some modification there. If I want to give the next column weekend like Sunday or Saturday would be the weekend and weekday would be the Sunday, sorry, Monday to Friday. So what will you do? Let's do one thing. Let's add a column here and this column let's put the weekend equal to, hit enter. Let's put the week condition, calendar weekday dex, which we have just now created, weekday dex. Yes, let's suppose is search it. Where is that column located? It's not there. Day of the week. Day of the week back. This column we just now created is 6, right? Or double pipe, or means double pipe, calendar weekday dex would be the 7. Means Sunday or Saturday. Then what happened? I'll give the name weekend. If not, that's been weekday. I'll do the D small and parenthesis close, hit enter. See, where is the 6 and 7? That would be the weekend, otherwise weekday. This is a clear example here. Like 1 means Monday, 2 this Friday would be the weekday, then weekend. It's a clear mention here, right? Let's do some more example, right? Let's try to do the in formula in this, right? I'll just remove it from here. Let's put the in condition, curly bracket on, open, then 6 or 7. Either this or this, right? As we learned earlier, comma, hit the enter. See, it will give the same result, but in a different way. Because now earlier I was using double pipe, now I'm using the in 6 or 7, or we can find out any number from there. So that is the weekday or weekend. Let's try to find out some more questions. Let's find out to the one more questions, year, extracting year from the date. So let's do it in the customer table. Let's find out the date of the year from the customer. Open the customer table. There's a birthday here, birth date. The birth date, let's find out the year in the separate column. Add the new column here. Put the name, birth year is equal to, hit enter, year, customer, birth, hit enter, and parenthesis close. So that is the birthday year here, right? This is 1964, 196463. Extracting the year from the birth date. These are the some common or basic functions in the Power BI. Let's try to jump some more advanced feature, some relationship tables, and the text related functions. So stay tuned. See you in the next video.